Yanko ye Kwame Chen. El Copenhagen na yintie inu abema Kwame. Kwame adzai.
Yami Adom bra jelly.
Na bibia aboko de.
Yami Adom bra jelly.
Good. Yes, you ye pa yintie we.
You we dem say eja so dey ya dey bia wo kano. Yami the why you it's like to me and kano much. So they organ to phone kai say you always have to count your blessings and then name them one by one. Yeah. He has that much, I believe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, that's a pass off friend at Chebusha for me to be an infancy, right?
You, William say next year a offer in a figure of Pentecost.
Okay.
And then you or boy the and I say people clear me, come on. Champo Mano, all the
all right.
The guys there.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah,
that's a pa Kwame Nyaminka ho. Enti yefi Kwame Chen wo Copenhagen na yentwamu a yenkopiem wo Virginia in the United States of America. Ho ena mansan subutu. Mansan etizan.
Ewadi adom beko.
Ye da nyame ase. Yenso ye ho ye pa. Na Virginia etizan.
Obade me feeling ni papa. Hey, go obade.
Yeah, o kan sa be hwede ni tie wa.
Ni jeno.
Be de o ye ni tie wa. O kan sa o dan ti sa.
Da ya mo hano dodo. Mususu hano wa.
Yo ya tie ye be jani how.
Oh, mo hano dodo ya mo tumbo asimano.
Ka che. Ka che no. We tie. Uka say na otie ujino. Ka che nso ono ankasa nso onja ne ho ha why. Okay.
The Yamatia Gana for Nina.
Yo.
The Radiasi or baby Radidia bedroom.
Amen.
Only a more dear Mayan.
Amen.
Amen. Metia. Organa me poma dear Metia the pump for Ganina.
Omuna, that was it.
Yes, including Africa and beyond.
Oh, okay.
Metia Sadora, El Medina, Sister Fobi, Sister Rini. And I'm a chairman, but I'm in the year to my Evelyn Lawson.
Okay.
Bye bye, Jerry.
Bye bye.
I am from area. I am from I do the woman from my
yes.
Also, my power dinner, my friend would just make
Freno. Obejo sododo. Na obehye wani onyam. Demo sakobase entontom na eteto de a holy insecticide spray and in the coil. And ne papa effectively kills mosquitoes, cockroaches, house flies, ants, and they crawling and flying insects. I would want to canina. When a big pa jumbo size kesepa in breaki basabasa so holy mosquito spray in a one nice sweet lily fragrance beer whose spray we are now more than when no you soon when your kata headache ne chest infections near the adebia a smokeless and so what I say into baby a cha kwan baby a tonton near more just on my for no baby on sabe count there open the phrase 0302 618 your phone numbers ni bim phrase 0322 037 623 and our phase 0302 681 582 holy insecticide spray and then the mosquito coil and tuntum shrobasa basa. The patrol still NLA force young fan to a month for enemies, especially more central region and a western region hono and crofobin in an normal case and nay. NLA for now commission man as on 1 point say almost now almost and licensing crofwa on pesomne NLA 4 year Juma as operators and I say banker to banker for you. Chest and no crest be any moment can't true bias on Quaby Bias Amo. It in patrol say no per se and nay NLE for a register. So be operator and I say a lotto marketing company. What they also become original and I say district offices are holding you and I'll be to me call head office one cry and I'll be call NLE for websites now on your medins also. Ubi afro jack one chance so for we brand meet me up one year register or bow that down. South phone more than me and show phrase 0560 015 598 and I'll fee 0560 015 540. NLE development through games. And Chebia so now Joy Beauty and Bridal Fair Jumediano so abaso. Shall say from Thursday the 28th of June to Sunday the 1st of July 2018 at the Accra International Conference Center. And at the Unyenina. Second. Not just say yeah back. Now ya baby she or man for more being a quad ye. I was she share out where the big go up and son a wedding at Timia Koso. Convenient shopping experience. Yeah, no baby boy more to me engage you with wedding professionals, designers, vendors. No more to me wow. Not also to me a dream wedding on. So make a date with a Joy Beauty and Bridal Fair team. From the 28th of June to the 1st of July at the Accra International Conference Center from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily. For further inquiries, phrase 0246 477 783 0540 106 466. The Joy Beauty and Bridal Fair, where your beauty comes alive and your walk down the aisle begins. Hello, Kwame. Hello, Kwame. Hello. Kwame. Hello, Kwame Otemenka.
Hello.
Kwame na New York today.
Nyame New York boko.
Good. Me patrol ye tie the other day radio say we here.
Hey, binyam me ma tra se me nyam so keze. Some you fear say na me pisa mo obade Kwame obade na say mo di ani sa no ane me ni afifie sa. Ba mi ba ga na me try say me nyam me ba ba so me tumi ehumo.
Ye de nyam asese ne de on sa kan.
Na special.
Obia o.
Oh, catch up my show me.
All right. Omuna dawase. Okay. Yes, we had that pass off friend. Yamin count na bibianko yi o why?
Ye de nyamiase mo so fa.
All right.
Ya na mo hwe bu ye wate.
Me pacho yate ye be hwe.
Na mu ni ho aye ni ho.
You yate. All right. Ye da se pa, ye da se. Me pacho Sunday ye be your Father's Day. E bia na apawa ni so kakra na refia me kai opa. Na enkrofo bia o madwen say Father's Day na so mu bu omoni aguso but mo ye den a enye yie. E den a ye bedi Father's Day no ye bedi pa. Entu ba ha no mo ye ni abre ehihye ye gu apon so no nye easy. Na Sunday we pa oba na be piem wo kokomlemle a ha na be blue. Ye penti kokomlemle na blue. Yes. In honor of our fathers, on ye be papa. A January bro. Bisa yi jakalo no be obeka cho that papa mo abre. Papa mo bro. Mo abre papa. So this Father's Day, Asempa FM together with Adom FM, Adom Online, and then Adom TV. Yeah, my Father's Day celebration, we know I am memorable one pa. I mean all deserving fathers. We are Asempa FM Father's Day fanfare. Consider we are right here Wokokomlemle multimedia car park here. We are kete 12 na shashe. Ya brumusa kwa puma nyumere boko no bia kono baby. Shakers band jiramu den tin. Na numtofo ahodo. Oh GI. Oje jump den. Ebi crash jump den. Oh, sa lady cries lady. Tell crofo so mo baby no. Tell nye izo anumtofo bebre. Omu nyina ba be hunum na gumusa. Now you was selected restaurants how do I do my bar bars and grills for you near the idea. Did you obedi do benum the chapo? Na fe the strongest that contest na so that part challenge you know. Nina any other activities bebre na ebe koso e wojumedi na say na nina mu na nwumre boko unse bedu on na Russia 2018 no FIFA World Cup na shase because I know shase ochna. It is Sunday evening. The match of the evening, no. You be you giant screen so na ina ya hwe bi wi na obi akonu fie. Yen first was that Emma re-roof. Fair roof tiles. A luxury you can afford. And I feel so escort security services. Duty first. Me patch all bad the obession. Ma enye blue why? Why to me I show full blue crowd a pedibisha blue kakra wom why? Yanko United States of America, Atlanta, Georgia. Yeah. Now you need Sam Tuga and Kasa. Hello, Sam Tuga. Hello. Sam Tuga.
Hello.
What is I?
Tell you, Mr. Hart. Tell you.
Ah, Sam Tuga near Nabibia Boko there.
Yamiadum.
Yes, you are pa. 8 year phone now.
Yamiadum, papa.
Nice. Ubia, you cool, Ubia choke. All right. It's your way. Amen.
And then the same program, there is a large time and I'm saying, maybe I don't know, yes, in the milk room.
Why, Nina? Good.
Two cruise your account, not sample for Jenny, Obadi. Almost some of program where you're special.
Yes.
There is one in touch, right?
Mate. Amen. Yes, we are that's a pa. Bye bye, Sam Tuga. Yeah. Sure. Anyway, on the Amidom. Baby back up. And start here. Some catch you other than you. A final caller for today. Enti yanko Bremen wo eye Germany. Na yanfa nana ima. Yene sorry so. Hello Nana. Hello. Nana boko there.
Bako Jerry don't swear.
Miss me who ya papa.
Jerry me too can't check.
Me tum den.
Me there ready after.
Good.
And now this is Germany about to do Ghana. I said I'm gonna be Ghana.
Not just say I Ghana na ka say.
I say I know Ghana. And I make us no. For one didn't do it. No. You do your first and I make cocoa for you.
Ayo.
And she made there ready after. So she didn't know about it.
Good.
Maybe mamma do not mean mamma be do a Jerry. No, somebody not
and they ampa.
I make sure bring phone you know better for what bringing you make sure me try me put Friday at that. And better for what getting you know make sure. And why would Jerry so make sure kakra. You make sure to akra make sure kakra. You and Miss Mejoso kakra. Mejoso kakra pa. All right.
Okay, bye. Bye. Come down so to me, body Me pacho super fantastic great. We ya bibi sonko ene Airtel Tigo for akofa de aba na emu ye. So betimi anya kwanya na wakasa as long as you want. All month bosumi ni mu nyina na what you are just 5 cedis. That is super fantastic great. And it's so Airtel Tigo so dia. Uba benya super fantastic great deals. I'll bet me akasa unlimited all day to all Airtel Tigo contacts for just 50 pesos. Yes, you heard right, 50 pesos. And now peso kasa all month so chesa bosumi ni nyina mu so dia. And you know what you are as low as 5 Ghana cedis per. Simply dial *533# and select daily or monthly options. Now for conversation, it's super fantastic, great time to be on Airtel Tigo. Airtel Tigo, one big family. Fast like I say, my proud sponsors no na fi dem fa dwumadi den kan ento aso Natural Way Herbal Clinic omo na nei omo na wa bibiduro so e de sa kidney ya de wa yi etu ase kra e bia wo de no ba bia du ase etwa to dialysis so ana kra wo be hia transplant na ade e betimi aboa ama ya sa yare ama kidney ne begina na so kama cheso how bia MHA Professor Wiafia Kenten doctor on the science CEO de man Natural Way Herbal Clinic now was specializing in the treatment of kidney and bra now bana be health facilities e wo hono mo state of the art papa now you treat chronic kidney disease with only natural remedies. Now healing process need to be rest assured within few days we shall see results. Obehunu ye chia kwan ewe Santa Maria ye ben Ja Love Hotel. Yeah, Juma from Monday through to Friday 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. and then on Saturdays from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. Friend was 0245 159 547 and off 0200 792 466. Natural Way Herbal Clinic. Let the herbs heal. As they do on the Informal Guarantee Trust Bank Ghana Limited. But you can't catch that say uhia say obebi account or GT Bank and uhia say owo sika ehye butumu na ukura sika say bi account na ma. Ye free bibi zero balance account. You betimi abie account bi ama wa bra ukura sika bia. And one say obe provide your passport size photograph. Now or the ID card account. It could be your driver's license, your passport, NHIS card or voter's ID card. And one no. You be account amount with GT Bank. Any of our branches be acquired. Now, so when you account with GT Bank and no boy multimedia access to several safe, reliable, and efficient electronic means of banking near their day. Just a reliable banking, convenient banking, papa. Sabe kanina, you know what I'm saying? Tipo modia na any innings na na yes you intimi more. Guaranteed Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? Finally, I'm fast day on the mark. DBS Industries Limited. DBS Industries Limited. Almost on my DBS roofing sheet. A board dance was very, very, very beautiful. Come up, pa. It was very so say. A chepa because they the top class quality materials near the eye. I don't know to be a 20-year warranty home against feeding. Say be color be pili of the old boy chances when rusted dark. Team the Timo Swabro Bono. Edi hwe twa kwan Sprinters Road to see an ebejo de fa kobo dan so 0543286637 afi 0577619102. Your factories will be Kumasi Tamale na fi Takrade DBS Industries Limited. Yen new roof expert now.
Cherry Justice.